All right, what's going on, guys? Last video I showed you guys that new trailer that I just picked up. I'm not using it today, but I got an old toolbox in the bed that I'm gonna be trading. Plus, just stopped at the bank, got an envelope full of cash. We're gonna be picking up something I haven't had in a long time, and I'm pretty excited, so come along for the ride. All right, decided it was a good deal. 2013 YZ450F, pretty clean. Get her home, show you some more. All right, guys, as you can see in the bed, I got a dirt bike. 2013 YZ450F, one owner, manual and everything, all the records taken care of. Super clean bike for the year. I'm happy with it, not too many complaints. I'll get it home and I'll show you guys. I didn't think about this. The sand all over there. Walk around it. Oh, that's easy. It should sit. Got it unloaded at the right time. Starting to rain outside, but here it is in the garage. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's a 2013 YZ450F. Bone stock, pretty low hours, right around 50. It's got Pro Taper bars, ASV levers. I think Tusk radiator guards. FMF exhaust, new chain. He gave me the stand, owner's manual, and a silencer for up in the mountains. But overall, super clean bike. Very happy with it. Can't wait to start working on it, make it mine, and make videos on it. I know you guys just saw a video on getting the trailer. I'll probably make a video or two on like a trailer restoration, but you have to look forward to that. All right, let me know what you guys want to see on this thing. I'm gonna do a pretty good build on it. And of course I'm gonna film it all and put it on here for you guys. So I know for sure, plastics and graphics, it's gonna get that. I'm gonna scoot the bars forward on the triple clamps because the guy I bought it from is pretty short. I'm a taller guy, so gonna be scooting the bars forward. Needs grips, as well as a few other things. Just gonna service it, get her all running right. Not that it doesn't run right, just service it. It's new to me. I have all the service records from the previous owner, but just for peace of mind, we're gonna service it. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down below, and see you on the next one.